best Call of Duty player in the world. He has COD 1, 2, 3, 4, Modern Warfare 2, and Black Ops. He is also the best Ninja Gaiden player in the world. He has Ninja Gaiden 3. How we got this game so early? Well, we are from 3011 and you idiots are from 2011. And in the history, 2011 is the worst year ever. And 2012 is the end of the world.
Assuming that you actually believe the bullcrap that Nostradamus synthesized while he was high on his own narcotics. Seriously, my good sir, giving your fictional character the ability to play overrated first-person shooters does not amount to a hill of beans in this world, or even the internet. Also, I'd like you to explain this, and this. Your maturity knows no bounds, does it?